Pi App Studio updated. New technology changing how apps are built in the Pi network. Pi network has taken another big step to show its strength in promoting technology and digital business. The Pi core team announced new updates for Pi App Studio, a platform that helps users create and launch apps using the Pi cryptocurrency. The goal is to make the platform easier to use, encourage innovation, and promote collaboration between developers and pioneers. Pi App Studio, a new gateway for growth in the Pi ecosystem. Pi App Studio is one of the main pillars of the Pi network ecosystem. It allows anyone with an idea to create their own app, connect it to the Pi cryptocurrency, and share it with the wider Pi community. With the latest updates, building apps has become much easier. The goal is to make sure that even people without advanced technical knowledge has developed variable apps and contribute to the Pi ecosystem. Easier access through Pi Desktop. One of the biggest improvements is easy access to the Pi App Studio. It is now available directly on Pi Desktop next to the mining app at Node instead of being hidden under the Utilities tab as before. This change allows users to open App Studio faster and work more efficiently. It shows that the Pi network is serious about improving the user experience and accessibility for everyone. The smarter app creation with AI integration. One of the most exciting updates is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into the app creation process. In the new Pi App Studio, users can automatically create a logo for their Pi using AI, generate welcome messages for chatbots, edit and improve apps with AI assistance during development. This makes it easier for people with great ideas but little technical knowledge to turn their ideas into working apps. A member of the Pi core team said, "We want everyone to have the chance to be a creator in technology. AI helps us close the gap between experts and innovators." App discovery and voting made easier. The new App Studio now includes a discovery and voting section where pioneers can explore new apps, vote for them, and even stake Pi to support their favorite projects. This encourages collaboration between developers and pioneers and strengthens the spirit of community within Pi. It also helps developers see which apps are most popular and variable within the ecosystem. Better app organization and interface. Pi App Studio now allows developers to categorize their apps, making it easier for users to find what they are looking for through the Pi browser. The chatbot interface has been improved for better readability and smoother interaction. Additionally, a demo video has been added to the homepage to guide new creators and help them start faster. Integrating DEX, AMM, and liquidity pools into the ecosystem. To grow Pi's digital economy, Pi App Studio will soon support key blockchain features such as DEX, Decentralized Exchange, a free marketplace where users can trade Pi directly without middlemen, AMM, Automated Market Maker, a system that connects traders and liquidity providers automatically, Liquidity pools where pioneers can deposit their Pi to support market operations and earn rewards. These features will help Pi network reach a higher level, growing Pi real value in the global economy. Building a stronger Pi community. Pi network continues to promote teamwork and community involvement. In the new App Studio, developers can collaborate, share ideas, and work on projects together. Pioneers also play a big role by voting, giving feedback, and supporting different projects. This makes Pi Network a people-powered ecosystem, not just a financial one. The feature of Pi Network. The new updates to Pi Studio show that Pi Network is building a powerful and inclusive digital ecosystem. Its goal is to give everyone a fair chance to participate in the new blockchain-based economy. As the world continues moving into digital finance, Pi aims to be the bridge connecting knowledge, innovation, and opportunity. The Pi core team says Pi is not just about creating a currency, it's about building a network of people with equal opportunities. These Pi App Studio updates mark a major step forward in Pi Network's journey. By combining AI, blockchain, and community collaboration, Pi is creating a future where anyone, anywhere can create, share, and trade freely through technology. This is the vision of tomorrow, a world powered by connection, creativity, and the potential of every individual through Pi Network. It's been 6 years, pioneers mining Pi daily, hitting the button so that they can earn Pi, and as well as just inviting people all over the world through different media platforms, even in person, to see how pioneers can increase what they are mining. What they are mining is coin. And the more you mine, please, the more coin you gain, increase in your mining process. And the more even you invite people, the more you mine much Pi. So I want to give you a piece of advice. Don't say that it's too late. It's never too late. You can start now. You can join if you're new and you don't know about Pi Network. Join Pi Network right now. If you have stopped to mine because of a long period of time without the launch of Pi Network, it's mainnet, but this is your time and you can start right now. You can invite your friends. You can, complete those things we have in the mainnet checklist, and you wait for the Pi mainnet to go live. And once it goes live, we'll see the change in the financial ecosystems and how currency is being used all over the world. We have many types of cryptocurrencies, and there is a big number of cryptocurrencies in different platforms. But this Pi network is really different from other crypto platforms because it is a project which is totally powered by people, by connection, by creativity. Example is this Pi App Studio, an AI platform that was introduced by the Pi core team so that it can help pioneers with those ones who do not have, coding skills to build app. So by this platform, you can, build your app with only 1 Pi or 2 Pis. Things are much easier than you think in the Pi ecosystem. So you can start now and you can earn by mining Pi network. Thank you. Let us meet in the next upload.